This is the KUKA Robot in our robotic labs, and the model is KR16, which the body is made of steel. It is stronger than a plastic so that it can operate for longer hours in heavy-duty industry. The name of the KUKA Robot KR16 is actually depends on the maximum weight where it can carry. So in this case, KR16 it can carry a maximum weight of 16 kg. So we will have to select a suitable model KUKA robots to carry different objects. So for example, for KR5 is mostly used in electrical industry, such as for welding purpose. This KUKA robot consists of 6 axes, which is from A1 until A6. This is the A1 axis and this is the motor, and this is A2, which controls the up and down motion, and from here to here is the A3. The motor is here and it's also up and down motion, and this is the A4, this is A5, and these pieces here is A6, and from A4, A5 and A6 the motor is located here, and the motion is controlled by using shaft and gear inside the body. Okay, so what we have here is a gripper installed in the A6 axis. So the function of the gripper is to pick and place, which is to carry an object and to place the object. So this gripper, we have to supply it with air supply. The air supply has to be pure air, which cannot consist of water content because it will oxidize the metal components. So therefore, we will have to pass through the air through air dryer. So this is our air dryer, and this is the switch. So we have to on the air dryer first, and then we will have to turn on the valve for the air supply. So when the gripper is not aligned, it will make noise. This is for safety precaution. To align the gripper, we will have to align this line with the dot here. So the noise will be stopped. That's all.
I wanna make up right now, nah, nah. I wanna make up right now, nah, nah. Wish we never broke up.
I will talk about the control unit for KUKA Robot KR16. So this is a control unit for the robot. So this one is the PC power unit, and next this is a PC board for the KUKA Robot. So this PC board will convert the analog to digital. So it means that the KUKA Robot is running depend on the digital signal. So next we can see that here there are 6 motor driver. So the function of these 6 motor driver is to control the 6 motor for 6 different axis movement. And next, this is a fan for the control unit. And here at the bottom there is a battery backup for the system for cooling when the electricity is cut off. So the battery, the storage electric will be used for system cooling. Next, I will talk about the control panel for the KUKA Robot. This is the control panel for KUKA Robot. So this KUKA Robot this control panel is used to write the program and run the program to move the robot. Then you can either choose to use keypad or mouse to control this control panel.
I wanna make up right now, nah, nah. I wanna make up right now, nah, nah. Wish we never broke up right now, nah, nah. We need to link up right now, nah.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So I want to explain about the control panel of the KUKA Robot 16. So the key button we can choose on which one we like, whether we want to use mouse or the keypad button. So you can decide which one we want to use. And also if you see here, there's a hand logo with 100 that describes the speed of the KUKA robot. We can adjust it with this button from speed 0 to 100. That's all. So we can move the robot according to what type of keys we want. And here we have the keys for axis, for world, for base, and also for tool. And if we choose the key for the axis, we can see that now we can control the KUKA robot accordingly to each axis, which is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. This axis we can move. Here is the button to move the axis. Like for example, this is for the axis A1 and this is for A2, this one for A3, A4, A5 and also A6. So that is for the axis key. And now we can see we can also choose for the world key, which is we can move the robot according to X, Y, Z, A and B and also C axis. For example here, if we move the robot according to X axis, we'll move like this. So this world axis can move 2 or 3 axes at one time, as you can see here. This is how the control panel of KUKA robot looks like. So here we have the file button, the stop button, the reverse button and also the forward button. And also we have the emergency stop button for the KUKA robot. First, if you want to start the moving the KUKA robot, we have to click the confirm all button in order to agree with the program. So as we can see here, if the program is okay, the S will be highlighted with a green color. But in order to move the robot, we have to have the green color both on S and also I. To have the green on the I, we have the enable button at the back of the control panel. We have 3 buttons here, which is the white color. 1 button, 2 and 3. We have to push this button, not too hard and not too soft, and just hold the button. And as we can see here, the I will be highlighted with a green color. And you can see also here, the axis from A1 to A6 will also be highlighted with green color. So that means we can move the robot according to the axis.
I wanna make up right now, nah, nah. I wanna make up right now.
by teaching method. To make a program, we need to create a new program and put name for that program and select OK. After that, we press open button to set the program. So we choose PTP home to make a program. Then we turn and change to T1 as a
manually with a low speed.
Then we move what motion that we need. And we select motion button to confirm that motion and select yes. To add the motion, we confirm all and we move X3 as a motion. Then we select motion button again and select OK to confirm that motion. After that, we confirm all to agree what we want to select and exist to confirm that program. To run that program, we need to select button and turn auto button to move that motion automatically. Then we turn back and we select forward button to move that robot to the home position.
As we can see, the robot moves slowly until it reaches its home position.
This is a home position robot. Then we confirm all to run it and we select forward button to run automatically.